Hello, third year practical.
5 minutes. I was like, okay, well, I failed.
Yes. Hello, welcome to this channel and welcome to this vlog. My name is Tuktendama and today I'll be showing you a day in uni. Basically, my classes are almost over and today I just have an OSCE and online class, and I also have an assignment submission today which is due today. I'm almost done. I just need to do some final edition on it, and it's 9:49 right now. I just took a quick shower. I will be now preparing to go to uni, have some food, and then prepare to go to uni. I'm so nervous for my OSCE right now because a lot of the students are asked to come for a receipt on Thursday, and we never know up until I go there. Fingers crossed, and hopefully I'll do good. Watch till the end to see whether I'm doing good with my OSCE or not. Yep, I'm all done with getting ready for my OSCE in uni. Let's go. When I was in Bhutan, I never really practiced my practical exams. I went to school, went to college. Because my name is T, I would be somewhat at the end to do the practicals. So I'll go to uni and then study over there. We will have a whole bunch of people locked inside a group without a phone. Locked inside a room without a phone. So yeah, we had our practical books and that's when we study actually. The OSCE has been running for the past 2 days. Monday and Tuesday, and today's the last day. The people from the last 2 days have been failed, and they're asked to resit it tomorrow. They need to do it again tomorrow, and if they don't pass it, they need to redo the unit as well. Yep, let's go to uni now. Yeah.
Hour later.
Okay. This man is crazy. Oh, I need to clean up my...
She passed, I passed. What? Oh yeah.
We finished the OSCE.
And even started injecting it. She goes, you've got 5 minutes left. I was like, okay, well I failed. And then somehow she was so chill, I just like slammed all the pushes, even the medication. Guess what? Yes. What's the BTL they gave you?
14 point. And then what is this?
That's you. That's your trigger the alarm.
Shit.
Surely we're not going.
We can just jump out of it.
If you wanted to go, that's the way.
I'll return it later. I don't know how to return this. Do you know how to return a
I
book?
know, just put it on the shelf.
Oh.
At the door, the library door. I have a
For
book
my
as well.
assignment.
From your assignment.
For my assignment.
I have another book.
What's that? This is Shalina's calendar.
日程表，日程表，
一程
表。
一程表啦。This is mine. Where are we going?
We're going to grab the free meal.
Free meal.
Oh, this way.
Oh.
Nowhere.
Yeah. This is the lobby of the uni. This is a building. This is a building I don't know.
A block.
And we are going to the X block.
Yes. Maybe we'll have
There's a long queue
long queue for the free food.
for the free food.
I think today's Mexican rice or something.
Tell me about the free food. When do we get it?
Wednesday's night from 6 to 7.
Are you dining in or takeaway?
Yeah, you're asking. Dining or takeaway? I'm gonna have it.
The end of my vlog. So we are going home.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to do some assignment completion.
Hopefully.
Mine's due today.
Mine is due tomorrow, but I will use my extension.
Me
48
too.
hours
We
extension.
usually have 48 hours automatic extension, which
Yes.
we do not have to submit any documents, and it's automatically extended to 48 hours.
Yeah.
And we're gonna use that. So, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.